Welcome to the channel, everyone. So I showed you how to create cool thumbnails with ChatGPT. Cool, but what if you want to edit them? Well, that's where Canva AI comes in. All right, everyone. So did you know with Canva, you can use the AI to make anything that you want, any design? So how does it work? Well, actually, you can prompt it right here. So what will you design today? And you can do this for free. So we can come here to create. Now, instead of creating something like I would here, as you can see, I've been active on Canva. You can come to Canva AI. And this makes it much, much easier. So instead of saying, okay, I'm going to pull all the elements together, I'm not quite sure what to do, make me a YouTube banner for a new crypto YouTube show. Okay. And that's it. Now, you can make this as specific or not specific as you want. But the good thing about this is if you can prompt an LLM, which is something a lot of people can do, you can make something amazing. So it's going to make a YouTube banner for the crypto show. And I can just sit back, relax, and it's going to create something awesome, and I can check it out. And all I had to do was prompt it. So if you can prompt ChatGPT, guess what? You can make an amazing banner right here. Crypto current, unlocking the future of finance. Look how awesome that this is. I'm really, really impressed. This looks great. So unlocking the future of finance. This is crypto right here. And we can come here and we can go ahead and edit this. So you can do anything you want. You can change the color of this. So now we're just in regular Canva. Say I want to make it blue. See how this looks. Okay. Say I want to, get rid of that. Now I can do that. And that's how easy it is. So now we can come back to home now that we have an awesome design, and we can do even more with that. So that will get your designs going. You don't necessarily have to sit there and figure it all out yourself. I know some people want to do that, but if you have AI, you can make it much simpler. Now, what else have I done with this? So I've prompted it in multiple ways, create a hit banner for an AI channel, AI unboxing, and then customize the banner, red colors, so you can enhance it like this. Also, my real estate thumbnail. So you can say, hey, I have a real estate business. You do real estate. Or if you want the YouTube banner for another crypto channel, you can come here. Now, let's say I come here and I'm like, I don't really like this design. You can customize it. So my show name is Super BTC. Just for example, I want green and blue colors and a cool tagline. So just like we prompted here, I can prompt right here and you can keep creating chats. And then after that, you simply can go ahead and after it's done, upload the information. It's as simple as that. So guys, if you can prompt ChatGPT, guess what? Now you are a designer. At least I would consider you having the ability of a designer right here. Now just polishing the design detail. We're going to get something awesome right here. So look, Super BTC, boom. It really is that simple. And then we come in here, just like that again. We can start to play with this. We can change the colors if we want. So I'm going to change the color. Maybe I don't like, this color because, I want it in green. So have it in green. That looks better. I can change this out. But this really does an amazing job just by itself. So go in Canva, as I showed you. This is a really easy tutorial. And you can become a design beast with these tips. If this helped you, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And catch you in the next one.